Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Gurukul. So let's learn some new things here. Okay, so as you know, we have been going through the core GNU core utilities and command. So after let's continue with that. So today we'll be learning about output a part of file, like you have different type of files, log files or text files, anything, and you want to see some part of it and not the whole content. So we can use the commands which are coming in following slides. We'll use those to see the content of those files. Okay, so in that um, series, so we have a head command. So basically this head command outputs the first part of files. Head print by default 10 lines. If if you do head on any file, so it will output first 10 line of that file. Okay, so we have some option with it. So -c if you specify, and the number of bytes, so it will print that number of files in the output. -n number of lines. Q is quite silent. It will verbose. It will see always print headers and headers of the given file. Okay, so likewise we have many other options. So so let's see. So for example, if I do, let's see. So here we have a file called test file. Okay, we have a file called test file, and if I'm doing it head test, it is giving me first two lines of the file, because this file has only two lines, so it is giving all the lines. So if this file would contain like more than 10 lines, so this will give output of only 10 lines. So this for head file is containing more than 10 lines, so it is giving first 10 line in the output. You can count this. Okay, and suppose this for head file, this has more lines, so here you can specify -n, and this will print out top like 20 lines from the beginning of a file. Okay, so if I do head -c, that is number of bytes, and I have given 20 for head, so it is giving me 20 bytes, the text which is equivalent to 20 bytes, and 20 for head. So likewise, so you can specify you can get output of a file either in lines or in bytes, so accordingly you can use. Okay, so if you specify -v, so see it is giving the file name also. Okay, okay, so this summarize head command. So this is very useful utility. So suppose if you want to see, just see the content of file or top from the top and not the whole file, you can use this command. So let's see the next command. So next command is tail command, which is opposite of head. So by default, it prints 10 lines from the end of the file. So this has also different options like -c, where you can specify bytes. -f you specify, suppose if you have a file and it is being continuously written like log file or something, so you can specify tail space -f and the file name, so it will keep on updating the output like as the file is being written. Okay, and -n is for the number of lines you want to print from the end, and a lot options are there, you can explore that. Okay, so suppose, so we had a file like for head, and if I'm giving tail, so it is giving me 10 lines from the end of the file. Okay, okay, so if I am specifying tail -15, that means it will give me 15 lines from the end of the file. And if I'm specifying as a byte, so 15 bytes from the end, so it is giving me this. Okay, so this is equivalent to 15 bytes. Okay, and if I give tail hyphen c 100 bytes, so this will comprise 100 bytes of the 100 bytes from that file. So you can use with these both the command like head and tail to see the content of a file from either from the top or from the bottom. And in tail you can just see continuously by specifying hyphen f. Okay, that means follow. Okay, let's see the next command. So command is split or cs split. So split is basically used to split a file in different suppose if you have a huge file and you want it to be converted into small chunks of files, so you can use this command, split or c split. Okay, so we can see an example. See, for head command has many lines written in it, and if I am specifying the split hyphen n 50, so it will split this file into n hyphen n, that is 50 lines. Like from this file will be like split into different files which will contain 50 lines from for each files. Okay, so see, you can see these file xa, xbb, xac, these are generated from this head file only. Okay, okay, and if you specify split byte, you can split using byte also, number of bytes. So this is also splitting in 1000 bytes. Okay, so this for head is splitted into this number of files which contain every files contain 1000 bytes. Okay, and if I specify like split lines equals to 100, so each file will contain 100 lines and from this file. So this file also will be kept, it will not be removed, plus many files will be generated which will contain the specified number of lines where we have specified number line equals to 100. Okay, so likewise you can use. So this is very useful when you have a bigger file, or if you want to run a command on small files, so you can do that. So like split bigger files into smaller files for either transferring somewhere or for debugging purpose or all. Okay, okay, so thank for watching. So these were three commands which are used to see some part of a file, like is head, tail, and split or cs split. Okay, so thanks for watching Tech Gurukul. Please help, please follow us, comment, subscribe, and like our channel. Please do comment if you like something. Please do comment if you don't like something. Let us know what we can improve, what we can bring more. So thanks for watching Tech Gurukul. Have a great day ahead.